2014 Honda Crosstour EXL. It's aluminum alloy wheels, good Firestone tires, tinted windows, door window visors, remote start, V6, cargo mat. Well-kept tan leather interior, all weather floor mats throughout. Power windows, locks and mirrors, memory driver's seat, lane departure warning, power seat adjustments for the driver, heated front seats, push button start, automatic climate controls, hands-free Bluetooth, backup camera, steering wheel controls, cruise, auto headlights. Just over 207,500 miles, and it's even got sunroof. Come on, see us.